If you've been looking for the right condo in Charleswood, Unit 16 at 405 Oakdale just might be the one. This one-bedroom unit feels bright and open the moment you step in. Clean, well-kept, and a layout that just makes sense. The living space gives you that cozy, relaxed vibe, perfect for chilling out after work or hosting a couple friends. The kitchen, super functional. Tons of storage and a clean setup that makes cooking feel easy, not cramped. The bedroom is spacious, private, and surprisingly quiet. A real retreat at the end of the day. You've also got in-suite laundry and a clean, modern bathroom that ties the whole unit together. And the location? Classic Charleswood, close to parks, trails, and local spots, but still in a super quiet and well-kept building. If you're looking for low-maintenance living in a mature, walkable community, this might be the one. Shoot me a message. Let's get you inside.